Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. On the previous tutorial, I showed you how to pick up stitches and knit the collar on a roll neck. And what I did is I did the same method on the sleeve. Just wanted to show you. So what I did is I did my decreases because I don't like bulky sleeves. It's my preference. Some people like bulky sleeves, but I don't. So I know it looks tiny, but it fits very comfortable. Believe me. So I moved on to a smaller needle from 4 to 3, actually 2.5. I think it was 3. I'm not quite sure. And then what I did is I knit one purl for 11 rows. If you counted, there should be 11. That's what I do on my sleeves. And then I knitted until it rolls, just knit stitch, stockinette. So I knit, and it automatically just rolls like this. So just wanted to show you this. It's super easy. And I am knitting the other sleeve. Here it is. Just one knit, one purl, and then I am going to start just knitting. Just knit. Yeah, here is my start area, and this is where I did my decreases. Okay, so what you do is you just knit. Let me just count how many knit stitches I did on this one. And then I just bind it off with the needle technique, tubular needle technique, so it's not loose. Yeah, it's stretchy. So if you want to count, you can count from here. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 rows. Yeah, so I knit 7 rows, and then it curls up. Because I had to open this, it just curls up, it rolls down, and then it gives a nice, comfortable, different look. I did search. Well, I was looking for a style for tweeds because I'm going to be receiving another yarn which is tweed. So I was just looking for styles, that how it looks, and I saw this on a website which did the same method. I had no clue because I don't know. Maybe I saw it for somewhere, but for years, you have this in your head. And I've been knitting this for years, but I never did it on I usually do it on a sleeve. I never did it on a sleeve area. I usually do it on the neck area, which I did the tutorial. And I think it looks fantastic. Well, I'm going to do it today as soon as I finish it, so you can see how it looks. But yeah, and I want to do it on the edge of the sweater as well, because I haven't finished the body yet. I'm still working on the sleeve, and whichever yarn I have left over, I will continue knitting all the yarn that I have. So this is all I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to be knitting, and if you're asking me the needle, I would highly recommend to look at the label of your yarn. So this is a 3 actually. Well, actually it's a 3.75. So yeah, thought it was a 2. It's a 3/4. So I jumped into a smaller needles, and then I am just knitting. Just knit. This is all I'm going to do for 7 rows, and I will bind off, and I will work on the body. So I just wanted to share you this short info. You can work the roll-on method on the sleeve edges as well as I did on the collar. Okay, just knit for 7 rows. That's all I did. If you want to knit more, you are welcome to, but I don't think more than 7 would be appropriate. Yeah, I think 7 row does the job. It just rolls. But if you have enough, you can knit 10 rows. It's up to you. But 7, and then you can, yeah. So just wanted to share you this information. Okay, you guys take care. Bye-bye.